I was sitting on the couch before thinking, what can fix this hangover I've got? And then I thought, well, I haven't tried the new Mango Habanero Chicken Pizza from Domino's, so, well, how about we whip on in, grab that pizza, suss it out, and see what it's like. My name's Greg, and I love pizza. Let's go! All right, here we go. The Mango Habanero Chicken Pizza. $15 this cost. And, well, the lady that served me at Domino's says she loves a habanero sauce. It's the best sauce ever. She puts it on everything. She reckons it's awesome. Now, when I looked at the picture on the website, it did have 2 chilies on it, so apparently this might do some damage to the old balloon knot. But we'll find that out tomorrow, I guess. Now, it does have some weight about it. How about we chuck it on the scale, see how much it does weigh? Of course, all these weights are guesstimates, but if I take this off, it says 0, it should tell me 646 grams! Minus the box, which is about 120 grams, you're looking at about 526 grams. Anyway, I can't wait to see what this pizza looks like, so let's suss it out. Oh, look at that mango sauce. Wow, that looks great. And the smell, it smells delicious. Now, the Mango Habanero Chicken Pizza is seasoned chicken, capsicum, red onion, and stretchy mozzarella cheese on a creme fraiche base paired with a sweet and spicy mango and habanero sauce. Well, I gotta say, that pizza looks absolutely delicious. That sauce looks like it could be really awesome too. Now, I have been driving around for a while, so I really doubt there's going to be any pizza cheese stretch. And yes, that's a problem when you live in a big city with no parking. It ruins your stretchy mozzarella cheese stretch. What if there's someone I can sue? But I can see the chicken on there and the capsicum and the onion and that sauce. Well, it looks really great. I hope it's not too spicy. My balloon knot is still trying to get over the last spicy pizza I had. Anyway, let's find out. That is delicious, that sauce. Beautiful mango flavour. And, my tongue is burning. And I just swallowed it. Now my whole throat's burning. It does have a nice kick about it. If you're not used to chili, you won't like this pizza. I am used to chili. Will I still like it? Will it take away the flavour of all the ingredients like the spiciness always does? Or will the mango add some delicateness and extra flavour? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's give it a crack. Wow. Well, it's pretty bland. Not much flavour. Nice crunch from the onions and capsicum though. And the habanero sauce, well, it's doing its job. The mango flavour is beautiful and goes well with everything. But unfortunately, the pizza's so bland that you could go with some dog poop. Probably have more flavour, but I mean the pizza is it's all right, I suppose. The mango habanero sauce definitely makes it though. I'm kind of wishing it had some pineapple on it because then it could have been like a tropical habanero mango pizza. And I think that would have added some nice flavour to it. That sauce is nice though. It's not taking away from the flavour of all the other ingredients on the pizza, even though it is spicy. And all I'm really tasting is the capsicum and onion. I'm not really getting any chicken in there, and I can't taste the cheese. I can never taste the cheese on a Domino's pizza for some reason. Let me try this piece. Oh, that's right. It's got a creme fraiche base. Oh! Actually, blended in nicely with this pizza. I kind of wish I had some more creme fraiche on there. Maybe made it another millimetre or two thicker. Because then that creaminess would have come through a lot better, and hopefully it would have made it taste even better. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this pizza now to know what score it's getting. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $15 for this pizza. Well, it does weigh half a kilo, and they've got to run that pizza oven all day. I couldn't imagine the cost of running that thing. $15. Is it any better value than one of their value range pizzas? Not too sure about that. But flavour-wise, well, I really love that habanero mango sauce. It's really tasty. It's got a really nice flavour. The amount of spice is pretty good. It does take away from the flavour of all the other ingredients, but not too badly, actually. The more I'm eating this pizza, the more I'm enjoying it. For some reason, the flavours are all getting better and better the further I delve into it. It's getting tastier and tastier with each bite. Maybe that's because the habanero sauce has burnt my taste buds off. I'm actually quite enjoying this. It's got flavour, it's got oomph. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Mango Habanero Chicken Pizza from Domino's. I reckon this one deserves a... Not bad. Not bad at all. A 6 1/2 out of 10. The mango sauce goes well with the pizza. It all tastes good. Could have done with some more creme fraiche on the base, and well, I wish their cheese would taste cheesier. You can't even taste it. And I reckon if you're into this sort of thing and you get one, you're probably going to like it. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, why don't you show it some thumb and love? If you want to see more pizza reviews and food reviews and all sorts of reviews and nice views, why don't you hit the subscribe button? It's free to do so, and I could be saving you a ton of money. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review